Hey guys, quick video today on this cool Klein Conduit Reamer. When I wired my shop, I put all the wiring in conduit, so I wouldn't have to tear out the walls if I wanted to move an outlet around later. And if you ever worked with conduit, you know that after cutting the pipe, there's always these sharp edges left behind, and that can sometimes shave off a little bit of the insulation on the wire when you're pulling it through. On most pipe cutters, they give you this little triangle thing that you can use to ream it out and knock down that burr, but this always seemed like a pain to do. There's got to be a more efficient way. So that's when I found this Klein Conduit Reamer, which is made here in the USA. It has the same handle style as their cushion grip screwdrivers, but when we look at just the tip, it has this weird bulbous thing going on. And there's these three little hooked blades on top. If I take this section of half-inch conduit and just stick it on there, and then just kind of rotate it around, it's going to shave off the burrs from the inside edge, and also kind of round off the outside edge a bit too, which a standard conduit reamer won't do. Now normally when you use this you would rotate the tool and not the conduit, but I want to show how that blade interfaces with the conduit. And now we have a nicely rounded over edge on the conduit, so you don't have to worry about it shaving insulation off the wires or the skin off of your fingers. This reamer will work on half-inch, 3/4 inch, and 1-inch conduit. The blade assembly is also replaceable. Now in my unit it's held in place with a roll pin, which would be kind of a pain to swap out, but on the newer ones they've since switched to a set screw design to retain the blades. And on the end here there's a flat blade screwdriver, but for some reason it has a shroud over it, like a wizard sleeve. I'm not sure the purpose of that, but I did use the screwdriver on mine to tighten down the conduit fittings, and I guess the shroud does keep the screwdriver positioned on the screw. Otherwise, it's a neat little tool, and it made the job of wiring my shop way easier. If you want one of these, I will put links in the video description, but the price has gone up quite a bit on them. I know I didn't pay more than 20 bucks for mine, but that was 4 or 5 years ago. Maybe you can find them cheaper locally. The replacement blades are 10 bucks for a 2-pack. That doesn't seem too bad. And they also have a power drill attachment version for 25 bucks. But I like to do my reaming manually. I also found this made in China Southwire alternative for 22 bucks. But this one has some mixed reviews on Amazon, so buy at your own risk. Alright, that's it for today's video. Be sure to check out the other videos on my channel if you haven't already. Thanks everyone for watching. See you later. Bye.